Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this video, let's see what happens during cold start of SD Adventure. The reasons like why and how will be discussed in the following video. As of now, let's see the ambient temperature, that is around 30 degrees centigrade. Main engine block, cylinder and the piston will be closer to this ambient temperature, that is 30 degrees centigrade. This is the first crank in the morning, and let's give it a self start and observe the RPM here. So after the self start, the RPM rose to 2000 and it is settling around 1400 to 1600 RPM. It is not a good cold start RPM. I suspect the engine would cut off sooner. So it did cut off as I expected. So let's give another try here. So after this second try, the engine RPM rose to 2200 and is now settling around 1800 to 2000 RPM here. Let's see the temperature here. The temperature should gradually increase. I'll give a small brief about why the RPM increased in the cold start and why it should increase too. Usually the engine operating temperature is way higher than the ambient temperature. During cold start everything is cold, so the engine needs heat. The heat is produced only after the combustion cycle, so it has to increase the combustion cycles. So in order to increase the combustion cycles, it has to increase the RPM. So the RPM is increased by using the ISEV. More air is let in, it runs a rich mixture, and number of combustion cycles are also increased. So as the number of combustion cycles increased, more heat is produced. As more heat is produced, the engine reaches the optimum temperature faster and quicker. So that is why RPM increases in a cold start. Thank you.